Now student, question number 4 of exercise 1.4. In this question is given a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, b is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, and c is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, and d is equal to 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have to find, I am taking there so many parts, I am taking only 3 parts, first part, third part and seventh part. By same way you will find the solution of other parts. Now solution, first part, A union B is equal to, on place of A, write the set A, 1, 2, 3, 4, union B. On place of B, write the set of B, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, writing all the elements of set A and B in single time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is A union B. Okay. Now, third part, B union C is equal to, write the set B on place of B, which is 3, 4, 5, 6, union, and write the element, write the set on place of C of set C, which is 5, 6, 7, 8. Now make the set containing all element of B and C. So it is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is B union C. Now seventh part, the seventh part, which is B union C union D. So first of all we will find B union C. And solution, B union C union D. So B union C is 3, 4, 5, 6, union C, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then D union D is equal to the set containing all the element of B and C, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Union D. D is 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is B union C union D. Now student, question number 5 is given to you for your homework and remaining part of question 4 also. Now see question number 6, in which there are so many parts. So I am solving only part number 3rd, 6th and 9th. So in solution, let's see what is the thing which are given in the question. The things are given set A, B, C, D. A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. B is 7, 9, 11, 13. C is 11, 13, 15, and D is 15, 17. We need to find the value of A intersection C intersection D, and 6th part A intersection of B union C. Then 9th part A intersection B union C. So first of all we will find the values of B union C, because it is the requirement on place of here and here also. B intersection C and A intersection. Now A intersection B is equal to the common element of A and B. So it is A and B 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11 should be here. 7, 9, 11 is here. 7, 9, 11. And B union C is B union C. Where is B? B and C. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. All the element of B and C. Now third part is A intersection C intersection D. So A intersection C, taking A intersection C, combining together. So A intersection C is, what are the common element in A and C? 11 है ना, क्या आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे 11 है, यहाँ 8 से 11 इंटरसेक्शन. तो थोड़ा और क्लियर लिख देते हैं. इंटरसेक्शन D 15, 17. Anything is common between these two sets? No, it is 5. So common element is nothing. So it is 5. Either you can write this one manner or this one. Na? Now, sixth part. A intersection B union C. A intersection means write the element of A here 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And B union C, we have already find B union C. This is the sign of intersection 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. So write the elements which are common both 7, 9, 11. This is the value of sixth part A intersection B union C. Now ninth part A intersection B intersection B union C. Now put the values of A intersection B. A intersection B we have already found 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11. Intersection B union C. This is 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. So find common element which are common both the set. This is 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11. This is the answer. Now remaining part, students, you will solve your homework copy.